Yeah! Dean, get in here, buddy. My guide, he taught me. I lost the first one, but not the second one.
He got lucky.
Yeah!
Let him hold. He'll give you a Get the camera in, Johnny.
I got him on right now. Don't you worry about it. Get him in. If he wants to go when he gets near the boat, let him go.
Yep.
Doing a good job, Mark. I'm just trying to get him. I don't know where he's going to come up. He's getting close. There you go.
Oh, fucking big. Look at cod, is it? No, it's a massive springboard. Woohoo! He goes.
Get him in, Mark. Get him in.
Whoa! Ho ho!
Let's get him in. Don't get too excited. Let's get him in.
He came here. Oh yeah!
Let's get him in, Mark. Easy now.
Easy, buddy.
Easy. He's not in the boat yet. Don't get too excited.
Real. Okay.
Let's get him in, Mark. Don't get too excited.
Real.
Oh,
real.
Mark, get him in.
Let him go.
Let him go, Mark. Let him go.
I had lost him.
Don't let him go.
Holy fuck. Easy. He's gonna go again. Going. Let him go.
Let him go, Mark. Let him go, buddy. Let him go. Look at that fucking rod. I got it all. Just let him go. Let him go. He's fucking bitching pissed off right now.
The bottom. That's good. Got him right where we want him.
That's what the fight's all about. Fuck, he's going right back down again, isn't he?
Okay, he'll start coming up. Gain on him. If he gives you an inch, take it. Keep that pressure on him a little. Real.
Here. Mark, just fucking get that in. I got it on my video. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Video's video. You get that fucking fish in here.
Fuck, that big. Stay real. It gives you an inch, take it, man. There you go.
I got the whole thing.
Real. Good big. Let him hold there. That's good. Let the rod do the work. Oh, let him go.
Get him in, Mark. Just get him in. Get him in.
Real.
Easy now.
Real. Don't pull him. Real.
You reeling?
Real. Yeah. Can come around this side if you want. Keep reeling.
Woo. If he wants to go, let him go again, Mark.
Real. If he goes, let him go.
He's going. Come on, you bitch.
Don't pull him though, just let him go.
Yeah, he's gonna go again, I can tell.
Walk him to the other side. Good job.
There he goes. Let him go. Let him go, Mark.
That's good. Real. Okay, easy. Oh, fuck,
Got him. Holy motherfucker.
Look at that.
You got him? Woo! You got him?
Here.
Holy fuck, man.
Yeah! fucking mama!
Jesus Christ!
Let's go!
Hit him again! Holy fuck!
Fuck!
Oh! Fuck me! That is fucking amazing.
That's big. How big is that weigh? He'll be 30 plus.
30 plus.
Close to 40 maybe.
Hang on, Mark.
I'd say 30.
Okay, I gotta go to picture mode here.